call me?
Call who? I'm not telling someone to call my blood clot phone.
Okay. So what if I still want to call you?
What?
Is it a problem if I still call you?
What wrong with you? Like, that the God truth. What wrong with you in life?
Follow me. I just missed you and I wanted to call you to see how you was doing. That's all.
I want me to tell you, so what me tell you, say enough, you do.
Not to call you, but shit. You told me not to call you before and I still call you.
Where you want from it? Like, where you want from me?
Nothing from you. I just want you to call me and see how I'm doing.
Me not blood clot call you know.
That's not fair. You said that. Well,
Shut him out. Cause you never understand the fucking say. You just a chat bag of shit. Low me and go on about your business. No call me, no text me, no check pa me. No listen to me song or blood clot.
okay, so you're trying to say you don't want to have nothing to do with me.
How much time I tell you that?
No, I'm asking you now. You don't have nothing
No. So you ask me again.
I miss you and you
Miss me bumbo clot. Me can't miss you. You know see that? Look how much girl me have. Look how much girl like me can't. What number on the list you there? I have one bunch of girl. Which number on the list you think you there?
None of this on the list.
So you know one of my girl then?
What do you want to tell them? I don't understand that. Mom, your baby. I already told you that.
Do not call my phone forever, ever like till you all when I grew up.
Okay,
For
fine.
the-
You said that 5 times, like 500 times. I understand that. And I still love you very much. So you're just going to have to not answer my call when I call. I'm still going to call you. So you're just going to, when you see me calling, just like, not answer the phone. And then maybe one day, I don't know, maybe next year, 2 years from now, 10 years from now, I might get you.
Bumbo clot. So you really have plan to call me for the rest of your life?
Yeah, but I get it yet. So,
So you still not get, so you must left me alone and go on about your dirty business and them something there.
I understand what you're saying. I'm just stubborn and I choose not to do it.
I'm not changing no more. Cause you know, yes, a blood clot and that with you. You're gonna press my phone. Tell me
I'm
this.
not going to call you every day and blow your phone up. No. I'm not going to do that. That's like taking it to the extremes.
Can you do me a favor, please?
What want me to do? Don't call you?
You can't.
No, I don't think so.